Property management software doesn't have to be complicated. It should be efficient, easy to use, and personalized. Introducing Promotional by 3D Cape, an advanced and innovative tool that creates a clear line of communication between tenants, contractors, and management personnel. Use the Promotional mobile app to open maintenance tickets, collect payments, invoice contractors, and keep all your contacts in one place. Creating a maintenance schedule for daily tasks and even long-term repairs and upgrades is fast and easy. When you work with us, you'll benefit from our expertise in designing, implementing, and managing software tools that can be customized to fit your needs. So whether you're a large property management firm or a small family-owned rental agency, Promotional can help. Our goal is to develop tools to assist your performance by further facilitating the relationship between your employees, subcontractors, and homeowners. When everyone is on the same page, satisfaction increases and so do profits. Visit www.3dcape.com to learn more.